Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my subscribers and viewers. So I'm going to announce my entry into Craig Mutt Modeler, the 5 branches of the ARM services. I don't think I'll be able to do all 5, but I might try to do 2 or 3. So the first one will be this open box. For the Air Force, it's the F-15 Superiority Fighter Eagle. There's an older version, it's a 95. And I don't think it even comes with a pilot. It comes with a ground crew, but not a pilot. So I think this will be my Air Force entry. Now as far as, I think most of these will be planes. Now for the Army, I was thinking of either building this Atlantis repop of the monogram and painting it olive drab or green to be used in the Army, because I'm not really a big fan of logging, but maybe I can paint it green, or I might build a Stearman, because before 1946 the Air Force was actually part of the U.S. Army Corps, so the Air Force separated to a different service, I believe in 1946. So the U.S. Army Stearman. I always like the blue and yellow with the red fins versus the all yellow Navy. So Army might be the Stearman or this truck, Mack truck. Air Force will definitely be this F-15. Open box, but everything is unbuilt. As far as Navy goes, I think I have a lot of Navy planes. It might be a Dauntless, a Hellcat, or maybe a Bearcat. I have lots of Navy planes, so Navy, I haven't decided yet. That might be my third kit. Don't think I have any Marines or Coast Guard. I mean, if I had a PBY Catalina, I might do a Coast Guard, but I don't. And I don't have a Hawker. I mean, a Harrier jump jet, so I can't really do a Marine Corps. Don't have any tanks. So for now, let's just start with the Air Force and then do a Army. And then from there, I'll see if I have time for a Navy. So that will be my kit selections. Thanks.